So the conscious relationship is the intentional decision requiring the courage to commit and a belief that within the power struggle is the gold. In the power struggle is the gold. Putting the pieces together. So you understand the sender and the receiver. You ask for an appointment. We're not formal. Don and I will often ask, so do you have the time? Is now a good time? Are we perfect? No, but that's why we have this heavy toolbox that we use, which is called the intentional dialogue. So I have to remind Don, we're both different learners. I'm completely visual. I have some auditory. He's very auditory with some visual. He's a musician. So for Don, he can talk through a door at me and think that I'm hearing what he's saying, but I have to see him to hear what he's saying. So I have to lovingly remind him, honey, I need you to say to me, is now a good time, so that I can listen to you and give you what you need. And Don, because he is able to multitask differently than I, he's on his phone doing stuff, doing work, and when I go to talk to him and I stand in front of him and he's doing this, I'll look at him and say, so now's not a good time, or is now a good time? And I'll say, I need some eye contact. So it's not saying, well, you should know what I need. No, this workshop is about asking for what you need in a loving way.